Very good evening from London. Has been another positive session for the US equity markets, with in early trade the E-mini S&P future breaking the 1400 point mark to the upside. Also the Nasdaq Comp in the opening on Wall Street breaking that 3000 point mark again. Elsewhere, with some of the larger cap stocks in the cash markets have been gaining focus, the likes of Exxon and Wells Fargo, and also Apple this week, all going ex-dividend, and also helping the markets move to the upside, primarily led not by any fundamental news on the wires. It's been generally quite quiet in that sense, and also for economic data today. In the energy space, we've seen another good move to the upside for WTI and Brent crude futures, especially into the 9 minutes pit close, continuing to price in a premium for oil given the geopolitical contentions in the Middle East, particularly the Syria region, with no abatement of the tensions there seemingly in the near future. Elsewhere, we did see the US 3-year note auction with a tailing in the yield, so coming in with a yield that was higher than expected compared to the when issue, and also a just softer bid to cover than the previous, so it's generally a lackluster auction for the US 3s, and we did see a slight pullback in the 2-year note future for the US of around half a tick in reaction to there, with the US 10s have been weighed throughout trade today, as market participants also looking ahead to the 10 and 30-year supply out of the US later on in the week. Otherwise, in terms of Disney earnings, we do have them after market. They have been traditionally a stock that's beaten on their earnings reports, especially for the EPS and revenue numbers, so we're looking for that trend to continue. Otherwise, US equity market, aftermarket earnings rather, corporate earnings out of the US are tailing off at the back end of this week. Disney, one of the few names, that's one of the larger cap names to report. In trade tomorrow, we do have some UK data, the inflation outlook, or the quarterly inflation report out of the Bank of England, which will gain market focus in early trade. That's enough from me. Hope you've had a good trading day.